Okay.
Alright, just let me know what to do.
Oh, turn back around.
Alright.
Alright, just put your arms out to the side, okay? Just like that, alright?
Can I put my shoes back on?
We'll get that.
No. You gonna put my shoes back on for me, or?
Yeah.
So you're gonna be under arrest for OVI, okay?
Also,
Two flat tires.
Yeah, both my tires on the right side are flat. This asshole wouldn't get over when I was going down. Fuck, what street was on? I'm not sure what street I was on, but
Yeah.
this asshole wouldn't get over, so I had to hit the curb.
A driver with two flat tires claims she hit a curb to avoid a head-on collision.
No.
The officers aren't buying her story.
This is the for him. This is the first.
Have you been drinking at all?
I went to a metal concert. I had maybe one shot like 3 hours ago.
She admits to drinking one shot at a metal concert.
Yeah.
But her behavior is starting to raise red flags.
Yeah.
So
Mercury's back that way. You were coming from this way going eastbound.
it's just the way my directional takes me. It's really weird. My directional is a lot different from a lot of other people's, apparently.
What directional?
My GPS, I mean.
What GPS do you have?
I have Google Maps, so it takes me a lot of different...
Her directions don't make sense. She blames her GPS and a history of 10 concussions for her confusion.
Here, I can grab it.
Yeah, like, it's
Is it unlocked? No,
not making
that's
any
all.
sense. Hey, what?
Possibly. I'm very directionally challenged and a little stupid because I've had 10 concussions in the past 5 years, so my brain don't work like how...
10 concussions in 5
Got
years.
out onto Detroit.
Cheyenne claims her brain doesn't work as she struggles to answer simple questions.
It happened
I'm
before
gonna
I
go
hit
up there
West
and just
Coast.
make sure nothing else got me.
It was a big white pickup
Alright.
truck. It's...
Well, I'm gonna have you go through some
You know the
tests.
English alphabet.
Absolutely.
Can you just recite it from A to Z without singing it?
A, B, C, D, E.
Don't sing it. Just
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, A, Q, R, S, W,
The
X,
alphabet
Y, and
test.
Z.
She's told not to sing it, but the cold and the alcohol are making things difficult.
Get this tow truck out here.
Let's not worry about that right now.
Doesn't help that it's
Just-
cold.
Just put your feet together. Put
Can
your
I
arms
take
to
my
your
shoes
side.
off? Do not.
Okay. Yeah. This is gonna be. Yeah, we're gonna be. You're gonna have to walk for this one. So if you feel more comfortable taking them off, I'll do so now. Okay.
Oh, that feels good. I hate these fucking shoes, but
Barefoot on the cold pavement.
Yeah.
She ditched her $80 monster stompers to prove her sobriety.
I think this is probably fine. Let's just. All right. You may begin.
all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16. Do I have to say 1,000 no matter what?
Just keep going until I tell you to stop.
Sorry. Do I have to start over?
Just keep going until I tell you to stop.
Okay. Left off on what? 13, 14, 15.
Yeah, you missed that.
Failure. She loses her balance and her count.
Close to nothing.
Reality is about to set in.
Help.
Do me a favor. For this last test, okay? I need you to turn back around, okay?
All right. Just let me know what to do.
Oh, turn back around.
so you're gonna be under arrest for OVI, okay?
Also, do I have to speed a cup? Are you gonna breathalyze me or?
Under arrest for OVI.
Quick question. So you already
This
called
isn't her
somebody,
first time
right?
behind bars, and she knows exactly what's coming next.
Probably call more people. I need to call the tow truck.
Listen, well, the tow truck, we're gonna be towing the car, okay?
Dispatch should.
I had a prior
If I-
OBI a couple months ago. I'm on probation for that.
Yeah.
The twist, she's already on probation for a prior OVI.
Sticking it up for
The
you.
legal stakes just skyrocketed.
We'll get you
Can you
back
fix my
here.
shawl for me, please?
Or what?
the cover. It's.
I tell you, you shouldn't. You know what I
If
mean?
you scratch my face for me, because my wig is really messing up my face.
I cannot scratch your face for you.
Damn.
But do you kind of understand what the waiver rights are?
Oh no, I understand.
In a bizarre moment of tension, she asks the officer to scratch her face because her wig is itching.
I don't see how it could harm me in any way.
Okay. Well, yeah, she's
I'm just fine with that. It's not like I thought this was going to happen. I mean, it's just some flat tires, but whatever.
Another night ended in handcuffs. One choice,
Right,
a
but
lifetime
I
of
did it.
consequences.
That's just where I was. That's the name of the bar that I was supposed to go to.
Okay. It's positive you only had one
Mhm.
shot? Okay. Alright, well.